Hello everyone, welcome back. If you've just picked up the new Galaxy S26 Ultra, protecting that massive 6.9-inch display should be your top priority. With its premium price tag and ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, you need more than just a basic screen protector. We've selected the top-rated options available right now to help you find the perfect fit. Let's count down the top 5. Starting at number 5, we have the JETech 10-second kit. This is the best choice for those on a tight budget who still want a clean, professional application. It features a simple snap-on alignment tray that makes centering the glass effortless. While it's rated at 9H hardness for scratch resistance, it's worth noting that it focuses more on clarity and surface protection than heavy-duty drops. It retains over 90%. At number 4 is the WSKEN Military Shatterproof. This is our pick for those who prioritize biometric speed. WSKEN uses an ultra-thin 0.24mm glass paired with a high-clarity adhesive they call the 3S protocol. It ensures your ultrasonic fingerprint sensor works instantly without having to press down hard. It's also surprisingly tough. In laboratory testing, this glass withstood significant impact force and features reinforced black edges to prevent those annoying side chips. It's a great mid-range option that balances high-end protection with a seamless daily user experience. Just remember to re-register your fingerprints after installation for the best results. Moving to number 3, it's the Magic John 1-Pull. If the thought of dust bubbles under your screen gives you anxiety, this is the solution. The standout feature here is the automated installation tray. You just cover the phone and pull a tab. This action creates a vacuum that sucks out air bubbles and uses static electricity to pull away any stray dust particles before the glass touches the screen. It's incredibly fast, usually taking less than 30 seconds. While the edge strength isn't quite as high as our top 2 picks, the guaranteed perfect installation makes it a favorite for many. It's effective, reliable, and takes the stress out of the process. Coming in at number 2 is the Spigen AluminaCore. This is the gold standard for daily durability, especially if you already use a Spigen case. This isn't just standard glass, it's an alumina silicate composite that undergoes an ion exchange process to reach a 10H+ hardness rating. It feels more like a transparent ceramic than traditional glass, making it extremely resistant to scratches from keys or sand. The Easy Fit tray is one of the most reliable in the industry, including a dust removal film that works as you apply it. It's thin, clear, and maintains the premium feel of the S26 Ultra's display. It's a sophisticated choice for anyone who wants high-end protection that stays invisible. And finally, taking the top spot is the TORRAS Unbreakable. This is the overall champion for rugged protection. If you want the maximum level of safety for your device, this is it. It is officially certified for 12-foot drops and uses aerospace-grade 9H+ glass. TORRAS uses diamond shield technology, which creates a denser molecular structure that is significantly more crack-resistant than standard protectors. It offers 3D full coverage, meaning it curves slightly to seal the very edges of your screen, preventing dust from creeping in. Despite its strength, it's remarkably thin and fully supports the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. For the best mix of military-grade durability, optical clarity, and long-term reliability, the TORRAS Unbreakable is the clear winner. So, which one should you choose? If you're on a budget, go with the JETech. If you hate the installation process, Magic John is the way to go. But for the ultimate protection, the TORRAS Unbreakable is the king. Check the links in the description for the latest availability. If this video helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.